Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Jeep Liberty and I will show you which fuses to check in case you're having problems with the power outlets or a cigarette lighter. This video will apply to Jeep Liberties made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now there is total of 3 fuses to check, but that will depend on the trim level of your Jeep Liberty and depending on that how many power outlets your Liberty has. Okay, now all of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery. Right here, very easy accessible. To lift the cover you will have 2 black tabs. You want to press them and lift up. And also on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this piece right here, the yellow piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the small fuses. Okay, now fuse number M6, it's a 20 amp yellow fuse located in the bottom right corner, and this is the fuse responsible for the main power outlet or a cigarette lighter in the vehicle dashboard. And whichever trim level you have, you should have this fuse. Just across from that one, this is a fuse number M7, also 20 amp fuse, responsible for power to power outlet number 2. And the last fuse to check, it's a fuse number M36, which is again 20 amp yellow fuse, responsible for power to third power outlet. So you have these 3 fuses. Now in case all of these fuses are good and you're still having problems with one of the power outlets, then you will have to test if the power is coming to that specific power outlet. If it does, that means the power outlet failed. If it doesn't, then most likely you have a wiring problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.